Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how to make natural Viagra at home using natural ingredients. Just 3 ingredients and you are good to go. So for those who don't know what a Viagra is, this is the meaning. Now let's get started. So these are the ingredients we need: a watermelon, a lemon, ginger, and a food blender or processor. So I'll dice the watermelon into pieces. Next, I cut the lemon in two. I peeled my ginger. Now I'm just going to put some watermelon in my food processor. You can use a blender or a food processor to blend it. Now I'll dice half ginger into the watermelon. Squeeze in half lemon like this. And I will blend everything together. So I have finished blending. This is the result. Pour into a glass or a bottle, and you can always refrigerate it also. This is good to be taken in the morning on an empty stomach or before eating dinner at night. Try to do this at least 3 to 5 times a week and you will definitely see the results. So guys, that is all for this video. This is all natural. It is better than the pea. So thanks for watching. I do hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.